Alright, let's see if you can survive the next 3 minutes without laughing. First up, the classic move. Cat jumps on the table. Only to immediately fall off. That's a 10 out of 10 for effort. Now check this out. A tiny kitten spots a cucumber. And freaks out. Seriously, what is it about cucumbers? Next, we've got Spider Cat. This brave kitty scales the curtain until... Whoops, gravity always wins. Ever seen a cat open a closet door? Watch as this genius feline cracks the code and breaks in like a fluffy little ninja. Coming up, it's the battle of the century. Cat versus robot vacuum. Tails are fluffed, the stakes are high, and the robot doesn't even realize it's in a fight. Now, this one's for the sleepyheads. Cat tries to stay awake, but nope. Sleep mode activated. What's scarier than ghosts? Apparently your own shadow. Watch as this cat chases the ghost on the wall, determined to win, but never quite catching it. Next up, box trap. Cat jumps in, gets stuck, and immediately regrets life choices. Who needs martial arts movies when you've got Kung Fu Cat? Watch this fierce feline take on a dog twice its size, with moves Jackie Chan would be proud of. And now the slip and slide. Cat runs, slides across the floor, and, well, that's one way to travel. Mirror moment. Cat sees itself, gets confused, and challenges its reflection to a staring contest. Here comes Messy Kitty. Jumps on the bed, knocks off the blanket, and officially redecorates. Jump scare time. Cat leaps onto its owner out of nowhere. If you didn't just jump, you're officially unflappable. Laser pointer time. Watch this cat unleash their inner hunter. That little red dot never stood a chance. And for our finale, kitten on 2 legs.
Owner chuckles.
Making the weirdest sound you've ever heard. Goodbye, humans. We don't deserve cats. Alright, did you make it? No giggles, no snorts. Be honest, I know you cracked at least once. If you loved this, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop your favorite clip in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.